Hello GCC Chem 130 students. This is our second video on nomenclature, and earlier we did ionic. Now we're going to do covalent nomenclature. You might want to have your periodic table handy. So covalent compounds are which elements in the periodic table? Yes, if you said non-metals. So it's a non-metal bonded to a non-metal, like an N and F, a P and Cl, an Se and F, an O and I, C and Br. Non-metals bonded to other non-metals. So when we have covalent compounds, they are named differently from ionic compounds. They use prefixes. So let's look at our prefixes. The prefix for 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, not quad, but tetra. 5 is penta, like the pentagon. 6 is hexa, like a hexagram. 7 is hepta, and 8 is octa, like an octopus. So to name covalent compounds, the name is going to be basically the prefix for the first element, and then a prefix for the second element. And don't forget the ending IDE for the very end. Now, the one thing we need to remember is that we never start with mono if it's the first prefix. We just don't start with mono. We just start with the element's name. If there's only one of the first element, don't start with mono, just start with the element's name. So let's practice some of these. So P2Cl6. P2, what is P? Phosphorus. There are 2 of them. 2 is di. So that is going to be diphosphorus. And then there are 6 Cl's. What is 6? Yes, hexa. And then Cl is, of course, chlorine, except we're going to change it to IDE. So hexachloride. Diphosphorus hexachloride. Very good. All right, next up, N2S5. 2 N's. What's that? Yes, if you said dinitrogen. Dinitrogen. And then 5 S's. 5 is, of course, penta. Pentasulfide. Very good. Dinitrogen pentasulfide. Next, SBr2. There's only one S, so monosulfur. No, we don't start with mono. We just start with sulfur. 2 Brs. Dibromide, because we end with IDE. Sulfur dibromide. Okay, next one. CO2. That's something we talk about all the time. It's a greenhouse gas. We're increasing it. It's making our world warmer. Overall average temperatures are going up because of CO2. Very important gas. And so there's one C. What is C? Excellent. Carbon. We don't start with mono, so carbon. And then 2 O's. Dioxide. Very good. Carbon dioxide. Last one. Cl2O7. 2 Cl's. Yes, dichlorine. And then 7 O's. Do you remember what 7 is? Yes, heptaoxide. Dichlorine, heptaoxide or heptaoxide. And then I'm going to add one more on. MgI2. Write the name of that for me. Now, I may have caught you on this one. Did you say magnesium diiodide? That's not correct. Is this a covalent compound? There's a metal. This is ionic. We don't use prefixes with ionic. This is just magnesium iodide. No prefix. So now that we've learned these prefixes, make sure you only use the prefixes for covalent compounds. If there's a metal like magnesium or sodium, potassium, calcium, it's ionic, no prefixes. Don't put prefixes in ionic names, okay? Save your prefixes for covalent names. Hope you have more practice with that. Good luck. See you next time.